Yo, so I wish I had this advice at a young age about getting a girl to like you. Um, if you're in fourth or fifth grade and you're trying to get a girlfriend, I just encourage you to prepare more for becoming a man that a woman wants to date in the future instead of, having all the girls like you. Like, yeah, all the girls will like you if you use this advice, but um, just encourage you to not think so much short term because you're young. You you don't need to have a girlfriend yet, but this is just tips on how to get a girl to like you. Number one is don't be desperate. Don't be needy. Don't think that don't make it your um, thing to get a girlfriend because that's what girls don't want. They don't want you to be needy. They want you to have confidence in yourself. They want you you to be able to do things on your own, all that stuff, especially as you get older. So I encourage you to realize uh, girls don't want you to be needy. They don't want you to come with that energy of like, I need you to like me, basically, is a bad way to look at it. You got to be okay with them not liking you. And then that'll in turn make them like you more because you won't be, like I said, needy, desperate, needing them to like you, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. So, as well as when you're um, confidence is a big key in relationships or in attracting a girl, but people misuse the word confidence. They don't really know what it means. It's just keeping the promises you make to yourself, and it's just being confident in your identity. It's being comfortable in your identity and who you are as a person, um, and that confidence actually comes directly from God. To if you want to be the most best version of yourself, that's going to come from God, to be honest. So pursue God. I don't know how you've grown up, but pursue God, and He will fulfill you, and He will make you into the best person you can be. So I encourage you to pursue something else. Pursue athletics. Pursue academics. Pursue what you're passionate about. Pursue art. Pursue making videos. Pursue like whatever you're allowed to do. Pursue something to where you can be um, yeah, just pursue something else besides women. You don't need to be chasing girls at 9, 10 years old. Honestly, 12, even 12 years old. Like, you just need to get good at something. And I really wish somebody would have told me this when I was younger, is like, your childhood will go by fast. You think it's like you can't wait to be an adult. Being an adult, obviously, I'm not going to say like being an adult is like um, the worst thing ever, but just realize that you'll want to be you'll want to go back to when you were 10 years old, when you're older. So realize that it'll go by fast. And so, yeah, but I encourage you to um, to just look at your life and think of your future and prepare for your future. Obviously, you're young, so it's like you don't you have time, but just as much as you can work hard at a craft and get good at something when you're young is going to help you a lot down the road. Um, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. God bless. Have a great day.